Alright guys, so right now we are going to basically be starting to use the shark to vacuum the front and floor, but right now, I'm finishing up when I use the dirt dowel, guys. All I'm doing is cleaning up. If you observe right now, this filter is pretty clean on the dirt dowel. There's some dust on the sleeve, but guys, look at it. It is actually like really clean. Look at it. Barely need, it's not like super dirty, but it wasn't like super bad. I apologize if you can't see what I'm doing, but what I'm gonna do, guys, instead, we just like lay this on the floor, tip it upward kind of thing. Now you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll put my foot on there so it doesn't go anywhere. So guys, there you go. Here's how you get your wrappers out of here, guys. Don't have to take it apart, really. Oh my goodness, guys. It lifted the freaking turbine like right out of its reaction. Holy crap. Whoa. If you look at all that, guys. Oh my goodness. So guys, basically I think the dirt dowel is ready to go again. It's more than ready, in fact. Look at this. Look at that, guys. They got a lot of crap out of there. Okay, what just happened here, guys? The eco leaf in the red is flashing, so I'm guessing. Here, 1 second, guys. I think we have a clog. Ew, it's a little warm. Yeah, it just got warm. Give me 1 second, guys. I think we have a clog. That's what we got going on right here, guys. Give me just a second. Did I just basically make the poor shark like work too hard? It got like really like warm, guys, so let's see what this does. Guys, I do not know what I just did, but I'm pretty sure we'll be sucking up dirt in no time. Pretty sure it was just overfilled with dirt. I basically did get a lot of crap out of the dirt though with it though. Okay guys, so now I have to do this. Basically I emptied out the dirt pail. I think, guys, is what happened, is I'm going to just say it is this got too warm. So now we're going to turn it back on. I'm pretty sure we're going to be okay. So here we go, guys. Okay, so basically what happened with that was, it's a simple explanation. That was just overfull with a lot of dirt in the pail, guys. So if you ever have a shark ip1251. Please make sure you empty out your dirt bin because it will get warm and it will shut off. Okay, so now I loosened up the remainder of the wrappers in the dirt fully. Thanks to the help of the Shark ip1251. Now we're going to vacuum the front room with the Shark Power Detect right in front of the couch here, you guys. So that was a huge success, guys. There is no failure there at all, in fact. In fact, guys, I really like this. I really like this Shark Power Detect. I really do. I mean, just the fact that it could clean off the cone of the dirt dell, make all the wrappers fall down. That's pretty awesome. So now, I didn't need to get this reach tool and all that. But however, for any reason, should you guys have a vacuum that gets plugged up or clogged up, well, this crevice tool will save you quite a bit of time. Because guys, it saved me quite a bit. This is a little on the warm side, guys, because I was just sucking out a whole boatload of wrappers and loosening them up from the other vacuum, from that Dirt Devil and Dury. So let's try it now. And we'll give it a charge too, guys, after that. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is there's a tight area that you really can't get into with this, so we're now going to take this and we're going to do, and then later on I'm going to take the crevice tool to charge this one up. So this is the Shark vacuum video that I told you guys I would make of the ip1251. But I have another one, so if this poops out, I have another power detect I can always use. Which it probably shouldn't. Oh yeah, guys, there you go. Guys, I tell you what, it's shocked.